Hey guys, what is going on? In this video, I'm going to cover 3 best side hustles you can run while keeping your 9 to 5 job in 2022. Before we get started, there are a few points that it's important that you'll understand if you want to take anything from this video. First of all, don't be a lazy ass motherfucker. When you get back home after you work during your 9 to 5 job, you must work in order to get this side hustle done. Of course, if you work from 9 to 5, then you have from 5 to midnight to do this side hustle. So if you're gonna watch Netflix, if you're just gonna, smoke a joint and chill, it's not going to work. You need to really kind of sacrifice this part of the day to push your side hustle. Okay, so after we got this out of the way, a few extra points. It's gonna be hard, it's gonna take time, okay? And one other thing that is important, whatever I'm saying is not the Bible. I'm no Moses, my name is not the Prophet Muhammad or anything like that. I'm just telling you what I know from my personal experience, okay? But you need to learn on your own. Go to Google, experience some stuff, and you can decide on your own if what I'm saying is not true, okay? I'm not telling you, I'm not giving you a step-by-step guide because there isn't one, okay? There's no print money machine that you can start clicking on it and it's gonna work, okay? If you're not sure about how to learn on your own, luckily for you, I made a video just about it. You can check it out in here. Now, let's dive into the core of this thing. Side hustle number 1, affiliate marketing and automation. Now, I'm gonna give you a few kind of points to explain how I think, what are the best practices to go about it. But first of all, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is pretty much some sort of a promotion that many products or software or e-commerce stores or different services offer to people to promote their product. Basically, they're saying for each customer you bring us, you'll get some commission, either a flat rate for anyone you bring, or percentages of what he pays, or a lifetime commission. So this is how affiliate marketing works. Usually you get a link, a specific link that everybody visit their website and sign up through your link, you will get the commission out of it. So it's a very common thing online, and it's something that you can definitely make tons of money out of. But you need to be smart about it. I'll give you my best practices. 1, you want affiliate marketing programs that have lifetime commission, which means usually software and products that customers pay on a monthly basis. This way you'll get the commission for a longer term. You don't want, like, I don't know, shoes where you sell it one time and then you get some sort of commission and that's it. If you get people into using software that they're gonna use for years to come, every month you're gonna get this extra bunch of revenue, okay? So first of all, go for something that is recurring. Second, you really want to go for something that you believe in. You want to go for products you love because it's just going to be easier for you to sell if it's area that you understand in. And then third is just use automation. And this is key. You really don't want to go and start like messaging people one by one, maybe get this and get that. All right, guys, so let's talk about how to get started with affiliate marketing in 2022 if we want to follow the best practices I just mentioned. The first step would be to go into Google and just search for different affiliate programs for SaaS products. You can even type in Google like best SaaS products to promote with affiliate program in 2022, and you're going to get a list of multiple SaaS products that offer that. One tool that I found as an example here is called Jarvis. And Jasper, excuse me, I don't know why Jarvis, maybe it's a different thing. These guys that allow you, they use AI to write content, okay? You just click, you insert some keywords and then you get all sorts of descriptions. You can automate Facebook posts, you can automate email marketing content and all of that. And they have an affiliate program, as you can see right here. They offer 30% off lifetime of everything you get. And customers can pay anywhere between $9 a month to $300 a month. And if they get to this plan, you can get $100 a month just for finding this customer. We need to be fair here. You need to understand not everybody is going to use it. If you can run automation around it, you can make it work for you. And let me show you what you can do. So another tool that I want to show you, it's called Phantom Buster. And again, this is a tool that is super powerful. It's packed with so many automations. And I just want to show you what it's like. If I go to Phantoms, under all categories, you can see all the places where you can run automations too. You can see LinkedIn. You can send a lot of messages to people on LinkedIn. If you use Instagram, you can automate that. You can automate Twitter messages. You can automate Reddit messages. You can automate TikTok. So there are a lot of things you can do. But the one that I like the most is actually Facebook. And what Facebook allows you to do is to use 2 automations. One would be the Facebook group extractor. Let me find it. First automation that is strong about Facebook is the Facebook group extractor. That's going to allow you to insert a URL of a group and export a list of all the profiles in that group. Okay, so that's the first automation. Each automation here is called a phantom. The second automation is Facebook message sender. That's going to allow you to provide a list of Facebook profiles and then automatically send a private message to each one of them. Now, this is super powerful because what you can do pretty much is to find a group of people that are relevant to this service. Okay, for example, I looked here on Facebook for a group called content writers. Okay, and I guess these content writers could use a tool that is writing content for them with AI. Okay, so I figured, all right, let's join to this group. Let's export the list of users. There are 160,000 users. And then I'm going to use the phantom to send a message to each one of them, introducing the product to them with the affiliate link I got from Jasper. Now, the beautiful thing about Phantom Buster is that it's completely free if you use it for 2 hours a day. So you can just run an automation to run automatically for you for about 2 hours. It means that pretty much you can message about 80 people a day without you having to do anything. And if any of them is going to join the program and start paying, you're gonna get this recurring commission. Now, just to show you what it looks like, I already signed up actually, and I actually started generating some revenue from it. 7 referrals, it's about $120 a month. This is what the customers are paying right now. Okay, so this is just method number 1. I hope it's powerful. If you guys like it so much, feel free to hit that like button. I'm trying to give you guys value. All right, let's move on to the next thing. All right, guys, moving on to side hustle number 2, dropshipping. Now, if you don't know what dropshipping is, it's pretty much the ability of any given person to open an online store and then kind of be the middleman between the manufacturers, either in China, India, wherever you want, to the end customers. So you can get very cheap products from manufacturers in China that are willing to ship these products by singles. You don't have to buy a stock directly to the end customer at a very low price, and you can sell it at a higher price and stay kind of with the difference. Now, it's not easy because you do have to spend a lot of money on advertising. You need it to make sense. Let's say that you have a t-shirt that in China costs like $3. In the US, you can sell it for $30. It will still make sense. And then what you do, you have like $27 to play with. With these $27, you can send someone to your store and get him to purchase, then it's going to worth your while because you're going to end up with profit. Now, the classic way to do that would be to import product from AliExpress, which is an e-commerce website with a lot of manufacturers selling to end customers directly. So signing up to AliExpress, then opening a Shopify account or Amazon account, maybe not Amazon, it's kind of more advanced, but eBay account or Etsy account, and then start importing products from AliExpress to your store. It's best if you can create better branding around it, better images, better packaging, better story with description, start optimizing for different marketing types, either CPC or SEO, basically paid versus organic marketing, which is a complete other video. And then you want to start driving traffic to your store and get people to convert and send the product directly from China, or there are other ways like print on demand, stuff like that, and send it directly to the customer. I'm not going to dive too deep into this. You need to know that this is not easy. It's very easy to set up to get started, and you don't have to spend a lot of money, but the business model itself is not super simple, and you need to understand this is a business for everything. You'll have to handle customer support, products, marketing, and you'll have to learn a lot of stuff. If you're interested, there is a guide we've created last year about how to set up a dropshipping store from A to Z in like, I think 2 hours. You can get it down, check it out, it's an awesome video. All right, guys, moving on to the third side hustle you can run in 2022 from your home while keeping your 9-to-5 job is creating a course. Now, there are a few very beautiful things around this topic that I really love.
I like the third one.
Basically, it requires nothing but ass. You need to sit down and work. You need to figure out something in your life that other people would value, and you really need to lower your bar to what other people would value, because things that are obvious to you, very not obvious to other people, they might appreciate it a lot and will be willing to pay for it. Now, all you have to do is just sit down at home, write down a bunch of topics that you think other would appreciate, things that you like, things that you love, things that you're good at. okay? Then try building some sort of a syllabus, a list of lessons you want to teach other people. And then all you have to do is just take your freaking iPhone or Galaxy or whatever, put it in front of you in a way that makes sense, and start filming yourself doing this lesson, like passing them forward. And it can be as dumb as playing the guitar. It can be as simple as, I don't know how you call it when you make clothes with this grandma stuff. I don't know how you call it. It can be anything from how to cook. It can be really anything you like. It can be with screen share if it's around the screen. If you like Microsoft Excel, tons of people would like to learn about it. If you want to talk about TikTok, cool. You want to make course about collecting Pokemon cards? That's fine. I also have a video about that. That's fine. You can do everything that you like, that other people would appreciate. Just build lessons around it. Okay, make it structured from the beginning to the end. Even if you know guitar, but you're not good at it, fine. Create a course about guitars for beginners. It's good enough. If you have animals, I don't know, you like dogs, talk about how to train your dog to shit outside the house. I don't know. Create, it can be very basic. It doesn't have to be long. It can be like 4 lessons. It's good enough. Film yourself. And then all you have to do is just learn some basic video editing if you can't afford to let someone else edit it, okay? It's free. Most of it is free. You can check out on YouTube tons of videos about how to edit stuff for free. Make it very basic. Okay guys, so after you've created your course, the next step you'll have to do is just get familiar with one of these 3 websites that I'm going to show you.
And I'm so excited.
And these websites already get tons of traffic of people that are actively looking to learn new things. Okay, one of them, and probably the biggest one, is called Udemy. Now, Udemy have about 100 million visitors per month actively going into Udemy and looking to learn new skills or new stuff. Wow. Now, it can be really anything. It can be as ridiculous as, I don't know, learning football or playing the guitar. Let's write playing. You know what? Let's run Pokemon card. I don't think there's going to be anything, but let's test it out. Holy shit! There's actually a course here talking about how to collect Pokemon cards. It costs 350 shekels, which is about $100, a little over.
What did you say?
And I can see that it also have 36 reviews, which means probably at least 100 people bought it, which is cool. You know, for talking about something you like, that's awesome. The next one is Coursera, which have about half the traffic, about 50 million people a month are visiting the website. And the third one is Skillshare, which also have about 10 million visitors per month. Now, guys, you can see the potential here. Do not underestimate yourself. It's very easy. Write the script, sit down, film it, learn how to edit it yourself, upload it to these websites. Now, it's important to mention that they will take commission, like 30% or whatever people are paying you, but who cares? There is no chance you're going to be able to advertise these courses if you build them on your own. They have a platform ready for you to do that. So just, upload it and start getting this extra revenue. It's very cool. People are living out of these platforms alone, and you should consider at least trying it out. Do not underestimate yourself. Okay guys, so these were the 3 ways, but I have a special 4th way for you to run a side hustle in 2022 while keeping your 9-to-5 job.
I'm so excited.
And that is, and this is it's key because it's related to anything we just talked about. The last one is generating content. And what I mean by that, social media. All right, it can be either on TikTok, YouTube. YouTube, in my opinion, is the strongest one.
If I want to learn, I'll go to YouTube. If it's not there, it's not worth knowing.
But TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, everything is fine. Just make sure that you generate content. You can work out of it. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm generating content, and let me just kind of give you a quick review of the bonuses it's going to give you, what it's going to do for you. So first of all, it's going to help you over time getting some followers and some, authority, and then you can sell whatever you want. For example, if the course we just talked about, you can sell it using a YouTube video talking about the subjects you love and keep, referring people to the course like I'm about to do right now, by the way. You can check out our mini SaaS course. It's not really relevant to this topic, but, we use the YouTube video, of course, to push people to whatever we're doing.
You're doing a hell of a job.
If we're talking about affiliate marketing, about you promoting other products. You can also use your following. For example, if it's YouTube videos, you can talk about, and we talked about Jasper, you can show how you generate AI content on YouTube and then publish it on YouTube. Put the affiliate link in the description, send people to that affiliate link, and that can help you generate extra revenue. Not only that, there is Google AdSense. So Google AdSense, if once you pass 1,000 subscribers, YouTube is going to pay you some commission about all the views you're bringing the platform. So that's also pretty nice. And over time, you're going to build authority and you're going to start getting some not affiliate offers, but influencer offers. We get these offers sometimes. Right now, we don't really take them because we care about the purity of the brand and we don't really try to sell anything. So you get these offers like take $500 to make this video, take $2,000 to make this video. This can happen, trust me, on any subject, okay? So I do think that no matter what you do, generating content is a part of it. It's not something you can give up. It's just going to help you around anything. It's going to help you form better connection, get familiar with other people in the industry, which is always a good thing. So I do recommend, no matter what you do, build content around it. Think about how to share it later. It's going to work for you. Yes, guys, I hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, subscribe. I love you. See you next time.